Hello and welcome all as we wait for the conflict between two sides engaged in a never-ending rivalry. One that never has and never will lose its intensity no matter what the context. Loose ball now and in he goes again! And what a big quick... He's a sharp little ball here. Scalvini. And there is the half-time whistle. A tight affair, 0-0 at the break. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Well, they look lost for ideas and lacking in talent, which all contributes to a chronic case of impotence.
So they head in no further forward. The score here, still 0-0. And we're already back underway here.
Milan can be very glad that half-time came when it did.
And he goes cross-field.
The attendance for this match was 71,649.
And here's Giroud. Done delicately. Now it's Rafael Leao. There's the hit! Goal! And that is the goal we've all been yearning for. That's wonderfully done. Crisp hit, true finish.
Giroud really showed his coolness, Peter, by not getting flustered on such a tough skill. And for me...
Olivier Giroud!
De Ketelara. And the lead stays intact, just.
Well, but the keeper was focused and strong.
Field is number 90.
Look, there has to be more urgency here. The ball has to get to the other end much faster.
And it's Muriel. And he's lost his man here. Hits one! Referee's given a throw. And the ball's gone astray. And that's it. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down to just the odd goal. The end of the game. Reflections?